Modal verbs, special helping verbs. How to use modal verbs? Learn modal verbs with examples. Shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought. Usage. Shall offer or suggestion. Example, shall I help you? Shall I call her? Should. Advise or uncertain prediction. Example, you should speak in English. He should be with her. Will. Promise, willingness. Example, I will go to park. It will rain today. Could. Request, invitation or making arrangements. Example, you can use would and would not in question tags. Would you prefer tea or coffee? Can. Ability, request. Example, Rani can swim. Can I come with you? Could. Possibility, suggestion, future possibility. Example, could I use your mobile please? Raju could swim well when he was young. May. Permission, possibility. Example, may I take your pen? She may come to our house. Might. Present or future possibility. Example, we might win the trophy but I have doubt. Must. Necessity or obligation. Example, you must have an identity proof to enter in the room. Ought. What's right and correct. Example, you ought clean up your room.